Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another video for today. So lots of good news for the EV adoption as a whole. We've got some delivery numbers from NIO, Xpeng, Li Auto, Tesla, Rivian. Most of them have been pretty good, so we're going to go over all of them in this video. I'll try and keep it as short as possible. Also some new price targets and comments with regards to Tesla, because of course analysts need to update their price targets after some positive news, but also after some negative news as well. Now, for those that are living in the United States, whenever you're watching this video, this is filmed one day before the 4th, but I hope you're all having a great time with your friends and family. So let's first start with Xpeng. So in July 23, Xpeng delivered 8,620 smart EVs, representing a 15% increase over the prior month, with the P7 series deliveries up 17% over the prior month. Now, the company has achieved positive delivery growth for 5 consecutive months. Total smart EV deliveries for the second quarter of 2023 were 23,205 units, representing a quarter-over-quarter increase of 27%. Now, as of June 30, Xpeng has delivered over 300,000 smart EVs. Up next, we have Rivian. So they announced production totals for the quarter ending June 30, 2023. The company produced 13,992 vehicles at its manufacturing facility in Normal, Illinois, and delivered 12,640 vehicles during the same period. And it's a nice little boost here quarter over quarter as well. I believe last quarter was a bit less than 10,000, so that's great to see. Now, these figures remain in line with the company's expectations, and it believes it is on track to deliver on the 50,000 annual production guidance previously provided. So congrats to the Rivian team. Oh, and they will announce second quarter earnings on August 8th. Now, if you enjoyed this video so far, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, would really appreciate that. And if you want to support me even further, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Now let's head over to Tesla's numbers. So Tesla, of course, a record quarter if you have paid attention. So they delivered 466,140 vehicles as a whole, produced 479,700 vehicles in that quarter. Now, with regards to Model S and X, as you can see here, production and deliveries are pretty close. So they delivered close to 100% more S and X this quarter than last quarter. That number reached 19,225. As for Model 3 and Y, 446,915. Now, with regards to the Model S and X, some might remember the comment that they mentioned last quarter. They said, we continue to transition toward a more even regional mix of vehicle builds, including Model S and X vehicles in transit in Europe, Middle East, Asia, and APAC. Of course, if you've been following this channel and other channels out there, you know that they've entered the Korean market as well. And since we got this comment last quarter, it's no surprise that they reached approximately the number of production from last quarter this quarter. But overall, very, very good numbers for Tesla. Of course, now in Q3, the big headline will be the start of production of the Cybertruck. So now let's move quickly to the new comments, price targets. So Guggenheim says Tesla margin setup negative despite undeniably strong deliveries. Oppenheimer keeps perform on Tesla, still sees potential for price reductions. By the way, clearly price reductions are working, right? More volume, more sales, price is down, but maybe it is the effect of advertising. Anyways, continue here. Tesla price target raised to $240 from $154 at Truist. JP Morgan ups Tesla target to $120, suggests caution on shares. Okay. At Canaccord, price target raised to $293 from $257. At Deutsche Bank, price target raised from $260 to $270. And then Wedbush believes Tesla still on track to hit 1.8 million unit deliveries. And the last two things here, one at Goldman Sachs, price target raised from $248 to $275. And then a comment here from Barclays, Tesla deliveries cleared the bar, focus shifts to margin. I agree. Now let's move over to NIO. So NIO delivered 10,707 vehicles in June. And as for the whole quarter, they delivered 23,520 vehicles. Now, to be honest, this is at the low end of their own guidance, which you could see right here. Business outlook for the second quarter, deliveries of vehicles to be between 23,000 to 25,000. So much closer to the 23,000 there, and I still don't know how they will reach their goal for the full year of 200,000 vehicles. Of course, one of the ways they could do it is because of the price cuts, which they said that they would not participate in, but now they figured out that this is probably the way to go to increase volume. And the second part is obviously the new, more affordable models. Lastly, here we got Li Auto. So they delivered 32,575 vehicles in June, surpassing the 30,000 monthly delivery mark for the first time and representing an increase of 150.1% year over year. This brought the company's second quarter deliveries to 86,533, up 201.6% year over year. The company has already surpassed its total vehicle deliveries for the entire year of 2022 with its deliveries in the first half of 2023. So again, huge congratulations there. And I think the trend here is pretty clear. EVs are taking over. Now, of course, we're still waiting for other big players out there, Ford, GM, Volkswagen. I think Lucid is yet to report those numbers as well. So stay tuned for that. But all in all, very, very good momentum for all EV players out there. Some better than others, but as a whole, I think this is great to see. Of course, do share your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.